Okay, bestie, let's learn how to have a healthier relationship with food, fitness, and our body image. And in true scientific fashion, let's go ahead and go through the steps. Number 1, ask yourself a question. I went ahead and put down, how can I develop a healthier relationship with food, fitness, and my body image? The next thing to do is to form a hypothesis, and if you don't know what a hypothesis is, it's basically just a guess on what you think is going to happen during this experiment. And my hypothesis or guess was, if I educate myself on topics concerning food, eating habits, fitness, body image, and implement what I have learned, I will improve my relationship with food, fitness, and body image. The next step is to conduct or do the experiment. For me personally, during this experiment for myself, I will be going to a support group for intuitive eating for people who have ADHD. I will be practicing mindful eating, trying to eat without distractions, trying to understand why I'm eating or what my hunger cues are. I'm going to be creating and implementing a balanced fitness routine that is going to involve cardio, strength training, as well as yoga, stretching, and working on my balance. I'm going to be working on talking to myself in a more positive way, as well as journaling. And I've been trying to identify different variables and things that might pop up that might affect my experiment. For me personally, that's going to be my ADHD, my sleeping habits, changes in my activity levels, changes in my environment, changes in cycle and mood. You're going to want to gather different materials. For me, I have my journal. I have different apps that are going to track my eating habits as well as my fitness. It's also good to have different resources and different podcasts and videos that you can look up to educate yourself on mindful eating, fitness, talking to yourself in a way that's more kind. And because of that, you can create different tools and different coping mechanisms that are going to be healthier for you, like looking up affirmation lists or different motivational videos or podcasts. And then throughout this experiment, I'm going to collect and analyze the data and then figure out where to go from there. So what do you think about this experiment? Is it something that you want to personally try? How would you do it a little bit differently? As I go through my own experiment, I'm going to keep you all updated with what I'm learning and what's working and what's not. And I'm really excited to see how this all works out, both with my journey and with your journey, if you're willing to share. Otherwise, my name is Sarah. I'm your favorite self-experimenting coach or companion, and I help get people reacquainted with who they most authentically are. You're an amazing person, and I hope you have the best day.